Hello everyone. Now the same thing that we saw in the previous video in problem 1 can be done using the filter function. Okay. Now what does filter function do? The first parameter to the filter function is a function name. Okay. So basically this is the function. Okay. This is an anonymous function. This is a single line function. Okay. Inline anonymous function which is created using lambda. What is the name of this function? There is no name. Okay. So what will this function take? This function will take elements from the second parameter. Now the second parameter to the filter is list. Okay. So the first parameter, that is the function, in this case lambda, will take every element of the list, and what will it check? For every element x, it will check whether x mod 2 is equal to 0. If it is true, then the filter function will add the element to the list. Okay, so whatever is the result of the filter function has to be converted to a list, because the result of the filter function is a filter object, and that filter object has to be converted to a list. So then we'll get the even list. Okay, similarly for odd numbers, the function that we are applying to each element in the list is lambda x, x being each element of the list, x mod 2 not equal to 0, or you can simply say x mod 2. Okay, so if x mod 2 is non-zero, then the result of the function will be true. So basically lambda is the keyword, then you have the parameter x, then you have the colon, and after that this is the expression which will be returned by the function. Okay, so here x mod 2 equal to 0, if it is true, then true will be returned by this lambda. If x mod 2, in this case, if x mod 2 is non-zero, then automatically it will be considered as true, and that true will be returned by the lambda. And then based on what lambda returns, if lambda returns true, then filter will add that element x to the list. And if lambda returns false, then filter will not add that element x to the list. Okay. And finally, we do the same thing as we did in the previous video. Basically, then we sort the lists, and then we concatenate the even list followed by the odd list, and we have taken the same list in the usage, and you can see you get the same out. All the even numbers in the sorted order followed by all the odd numbers in the sorted order. So that's it for this video. Here you learned about filter and lambda. If you have any questions, any doubts, do post them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.